Hi, welcome back to the session. Now, the topic is 8-twin problem using backtracking. Students, we discussed how to solve 4-twin problem using backtracking technique in previous video. Now, let us discuss the concept of 8-twin problem, how to solve it by using the concept of backtracking technique we will clearly discuss in this video. Now let us move to the next slide. Here the problem statement is consider 8 by 8 chessboard in which there are 8 rows and 8 columns. The chessboard can contain 8 rows and 8 columns. 8 rows and 8 columns. So these are all the 8 rows and these are all the columns. Totally 8 rows and 8 columns. And the objective function of 8-twin problem is consider 8 queens starting from Q1 to Q8. There are 8 queens starting from Q1 to Q8. And you need to place or arrange all 8 queens on n by n chessboard, that is 8 by 8 chessboard, in such a way that no two queens cannot be placed on the same row, same column, and diagonal. And finally, in a safe mode, without any attacking, you can arrange all 8 queens on a 8 by 8 chessboard. That can be done by using the concept of backtracking technique. So when we apply backtracking technique to this 8 by n chessboard, initially we can start with the Q1, queen 1, and we basically place the first queen as here, Q1, I can place it Q1 here. When I can place Q1 here, so the row and the entire column and the diagonal, these are not safe places to place the next Q. Next possibility is placing of Q is here. If I can place the second queen here, same row not possible, same column also not possible to place the next Q, and diagonal also not possible to place the next Q. So here, this is also diagonal, not possible here to place the next Q. Next, check whether I can place Q3 here. Yes, I can able to place next Q in here. Q3 I can able to place here. If I can place Q3 here, same row cannot be possible. Same column cannot be possible. And diagonal also cannot be possible. These all are diagonals, also not possible. Next, the concept is placing of Q4. Placing of Q4. So I can try to place Q4 here. When I can try to place Q4 here, same row cannot be possible. Same column placing the next cube cannot be possible. Same diagonal also not possible to place. Here also. Next, let us try to place Q5 here. In 5. I can able to place Q5 here. Yeah. I can able to place Q5 here. If I can place Q5 here, same row cannot be possible. Diagonal cannot be possible. Same column also cannot be possible. These are the diagonal also not possible. Next, the location is where to place Q6. I cannot place Q6 here, 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 here. So the concept is I cannot place Q6 on 8 by 8 chessboard because there is no safe place is available in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th row, in 6th row. Then what will happen? Then struck here. Then what will happen? Then struck here. Apply backtracking. Now we need to apply backtracking. Once we need to apply backtracking and again keep on changing the place of all queens. Once again we need to rearrange the place of queens. How long we need to do till it satisfies the constraints. Once we will reach the constraints, we will stop the process of placing the next queue. So this is the way you can solve the problem, 8 queen problem. Okay. Now we will see how to solve the problem in a animated view. Let us see. Students, so this is the 8 by 8 chessboard. Now I am placing the first queen on the topmost corner. When I can place the first queen here, that indicates that I cannot have the provision to place the next queen in the same row. The same row, I cannot have the provision to place the next queen in the same row which is highlighted in the red color. And the same column I cannot be able to place and diagonal and diagonal. This is the diagonal. Sorry. And diagonal. I cannot be placed in a diagonal way also. So that means that if I can place the first queen here, the second queen I cannot be placed in the entire row, same row. Same column I cannot be placed. And diagonally also I cannot be placed. And here some of the squares are highlighted in red color and some of the squares are highlighted in green color. The green color squares indicates that safe mode. Safe mode in the sense you can place your next queue in a safe mode. When you place the queue in the red color highlighted places, that means the dangerous mode. That is not a suggestible one. You cannot be placed in the red color. You can try to place the queen in the any one of the highlighted green color only. Okay. So next we will see how to solve the problem. The first queen is placed. Next one is I have been placed second queen. Observe clearly. The previous one, this one. So here there is a possibility of placing next queen. If I can place the next queen here, what will happen? We will do a placing of next queen. If I have been placed this queen, once again, so the same row, same column, and same diagonal will be highlighted in red color. Observe clearly. Yeah, same row, same column, and diagonally are highlighted with red color. Observe clearly. Observe clearly. Yeah. So second also queen also placed here. Second queen also placed. If you place the second queen, same row, same column, and diagonally also not possible to place. Okay, so you can able to place the queen in a green color highlighted boxes only. Next, I can try to place queen 3 here. Yeah. So now I have been placed queen 3 here. When I have been placed queen 3 here, next let me check what are the possible ways I can place the next queen. So these are all the highlighted in red color. That means that not possible to place next queen. So now check whether where to place next queen. I have the possibility of placing next queen here or here or here. There are three possibilities where I can place my queen. So now I am selecting this place. Now I have been placed queen here. Once I can place this queen, and once again I can check whether what are the possible ways I can place the next queen. So here the possible ways of placing next queen is two possible ways. One is here, another one is here. So I can place the next queen either here or here in green color highlighted boxes. I can able to place it. But here I can select this one. Once I can select this one, I cannot able to place in the this column, this row, and diagonally also not possible. So here next I can say able to place next queen is here. There is only one space is left over. So that's why, so definitely I can place the next queen here only. So I have been placed next queen here. Next, I can have the provision to place the next queen only here. Next, place the queen here. Now, I am training already how many queens are placed here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 queens plus this one. 7 queens are successfully placed. Once 7 queens are successfully placed, next I need to place 8th queen. But the question is where I can place 8th queen. There is no position is vacant. No safe position is available to place queen 8. No safe position is available to place queen 8. Now what can I do is here. What can I do is here, struck here. Again, struck here. Q8 cannot be Q8 cannot be placed on 8 by 8 chessboard here because there is no safe place. There is no safe place available. Hence, apply backtracking technique. Hence, apply backtracking technique. Then we need to change the positions. We need to change the positions one by one. Okay. So we are keep on applying backtracking till all the elements or all the queens are to be fitted into the into the 8 by 8 chessboard. Now if you clearly observe that, if you clearly observe here, This is the solution. This is the solution for placing all queens, 8 queens on 8 by 8 chessboard. 8 by 8 chessboard. This is the solution. This solution is to be generated from the previous arrangements, which we can rearrange, apply backtracking, and once again we can rearrange. Apply backtracking for that, rearrange the positions of the queens on the 8 by 8 chessboard, and finally we will get the result. This is the solution. So now we will check whether the solution is satisfying the condition or not. In this solution, the first Q1 was placed here. First Q1 was placed here. When Q1 was placed here, the entire row not possible to place, entire column not possible to place. Next Q. Here also we cannot able to place next queen. Okay. But here what will happen? Next queen diagonally placed. Diagonally next queen was placed. So this is also not considered as the solution. I cannot say this is the correct solution. So what we will do is we will apply the same concept, keep on getting the result one. Now here check whether this is the possible solution or not. Now we will check that. If I can place the queen here, if I can place queen here, same row, same row, same column, and diagonal, same row, same column, and diagonal cannot be placed next to queen. Cannot be placed next to queen. So Q1 was successfully placed. Okay. Next, think about Q2. Is it possible or not? If you can place Q2, all rows of blocked, columns also blocked here, diagonals also blocked, and columns also blocked here. Okay. Next you can check here Q3. If you place a Q3, same row cannot be placed, none of them placed. Same column cannot be placed, none of them placed. And same diagonal, check whether any Q is available or attacking. None of the, no queen is attacking here. So you can place Q1, Q2, Q3 in a safe manner. Next, check whether Q5 able to place or not. If I can place Q5, check whether diagonals will it impact or not. No impact here. Column also no impact here. Column also no impact. Row also no impact. No changes will be done. So I can place Q5 also. Next, check whether Q6 able to place or not. If I can place Q6 here, this is here, I cannot be able to place the value here. So here also you cannot be placed the queen in diagonal. In same row cannot be placed. Same row, same column diagonally not placed. Next queen Q7 placed here. Q7 placed here. No, same row cannot be placed. Same column cannot be placed. Diagonally cannot be placed. Diagonally cannot be placed. Will satisfy the condition. You can able to place Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6. This one, and this is Q7. Now check Q7. If you can place Q7 here, same row, none of the queen placed. Diagonal, none of the queen placed. Diagonal, none of the queen was placed. And the leftover safe place is this one. In the leftover safe place, I have been placed Q8. So in this way, I have been arranged all 8 pins on n by n chessboard in such a way that by satisfying the constraints that no two queens cannot be placed on the same row, same column, and diagonal. Hence, this can be considered as the backtracking technique is an efficient way we can solve 8 by n 8 chessboard. So you will get many number of solutions, almost you will get 12 solutions. How many number of solutions are to be generated for 8 by 8 chessboard is 12 solutions you can be able to generate it. These 12 solutions are 12 distinct solutions. So now we will see what are those 12 solutions which can be generated from the given problem. We will see it later on. Okay. Now here the concept is on which way what the solution is. First row is third place. In second row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 place. In third row second place. In fourth row last place 8th place. In fifth row first place. In sixth row 7th place. In eighth row 4th place. In eighth row 6th place. Students, you can be arranged the queens in such a manner. This is the solution to the given problem. This is solution 1. This is considered as solution 1. You can generate many more solutions. So here the problem can be generated by applying backtracking technique. Where we require backtracking, we will apply it and we will get the solutions. Okay. Next, another solution we will see. So here there are two more solutions are generated. Solution 1 and solution 2. These two solutions can satisfy the condition of 8-pin problems or constraints of 8-pin problem by satisfying the constraints like no two queens can be placed on the same row and same column and diagonal column. But here the first solution is to be considered as staircase solution for 8-pin problem. So the second solution is this is another way of getting the solutions, not limited to two more solutions too. There are around 12 solutions are to be generated. So these are how many number of solutions are generated in the sense there are 12 solutions are generated. Solution 1, solution 2, solution 3, solution 4, solution 5, solution 6, solution 7, solution 8, solution 9, solution 10, solution 11, solution 12. If you apply backtracking problem to 8 by 8 chessboard in such a way that by satisfying the constraints, no two queens cannot be placed on the same row, same column or diagonal. So you will get maximum number of solutions to the given problem or 12 distinct solutions. The answer is 12 distinct solutions are to be generated from the given n by n chessboard. So students, you may try whether any problem occurs in the generated solutions. No problem will be generated. No problem will be generated. But in examination, no need to solve all 12 solutions. You can take an empty matrix and you can take an empty matrix of size 8 by 8 and take 8 pins Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, Q6, Q7, Q8 and keep on placing. First select Q1 and place on the chessboard anyway, whatever you require. Next, keep on placing second queen, third queen and fourth queen by satisfying the constraints. So after some time, somewhere you may get struck because of unable to place some queens, some leftover queens. In this case, you are stuck there. Once you stuck there, simply you can apply backtracking technique. If you apply backtracking technique, you have the provision of changing the places of the queens, previous queens, whatever you placed already. Once you keep on changing the places of previous queens, you can keep on applying the same technique for the given problem. So after some iterations, you can get the solution by placing all 8 queens on an n by 8 chessboard in such a way that no 2 queens can be placed on the same row, same column and diagonally. Once you will get the solution to the given problem by using backtracking technique, you can consider that is the solution or optimal solution. And you can say that there are around, you may get 12 solutions, distinct solutions for 8 by 8 chessboard and 2 solutions for 4 by 4 chessboard. And in this way, you can able to solve 16 by 16 or 32 by 32 chessboards also. Students, please do not neglect this video. This is very important for you as your career as well as university point of view. Please do not miss the video. Okay. Hope you all are understood the concepts very well. Okay. Thank you. Now I am ending the session. So we will discuss graph coloring problem in the next class. Thank you. Thank you.